exclusive vibes. Yeah, everything nice. Yeah, man. Alright, make you see how downtown look, how them operate, how them fix up downtown. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, small little quick drive through, make you see how the place look. Don't know the things setting up, guys. Enjoyable time we are spend. Yeah, man. Don't know. This is what it looks like, you know, downtown, you know. Yeah. Enjoyable time we are spend. Show you some of these streets, what them look like. So the streets them look, guys, as let me tell you. Downtown vibes, guys. See how the place look. We have a lot of pile up. And these are the streets, them the shops. An exclusive vibe, you know, so me I show you, know, guys. Yeah, man, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, small spin around, make you see what's happening. Yeah, man. This is what it looks like, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Downtown. Yeah. Understand. Garbage pile up two sides. Understand. Get a small reverse up here, so. Right, coming right up. Understand? This is what it looks like. Downtown look. Spin around like you see my face, guys. As I tell you, say downtown vibes, yeah. Yeah, man. A Sunday, how down here look. Don't know, place a clean up and thing. Yeah, man. This is just one side of how down here look. Yeah. So we keep giving it the real vibes, you know, no sugar coat. You understand? Yeah, man. Just like that, yeah, spin around, make you see my face, because you don't know how we get the exclusive vibes, yeah? Alright. Don't know, we can't cover all of the streets, them, but just give you a little small review look at how down here, but we are head towards seaside, show you what it looks like, yeah. Alright, give you a spin around, make you see down here. This is what it looks like, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Still downtown, you know, but don't know it. Towards the beach side we at. A small little spin around, make you see what's happening here. This is what downtown looks like, guys, as I tell you, so the exclusive vibes. Yeah, man. Real vibes, as I tell you, so this is what it's all about. Yeah. Yeah, man. Enjoyable vibes. Understand the beach right there, you understand? Spin around, make you see my face, guys, as I tell you, say, keep doing it, you know, get the exclusive vibes, you know, yeah? Yeah, man, Frankie TV, I get the exclusive vibes, as I tell you, say, this is what it is all about, guys, yeah? Over here now, yeah, have the gallery. Gallery, a national gallery. Yeah. Lots of it is on the next road. Man, enjoyable vibes, guys, as I tell you. We are here a straight through, make you see what's happening. Yeah, a small spin around, make you see my face. Exclusive vibes and enjoyable time on the road. Yeah. Don't know the things set, you know, guys, as I tell you, so you guys have to do the right thing, you know, yeah. Don't know. Yeah, man, help out the channel. You know you have to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, turn on the notification. It's free, guys. You don't know, yeah, all the things set. Yeah, spin around, make you see. Yeah, how the streets them look, what it is all about. Yeah, man, no doubt, no joke. You understand? Enjoyable time we spend on the road today. Yeah, man, real vibes, exclusive and nice. Alright, go right through and make you see what's happening now. Alright, a lot of cleaning up going on down here. I don't know, say that's how it is. Past the famous big tree. I understand? Yeah, everybody know that name downtown. That's what it looks like, guys. Just like that, man. Keeping it real, you know. As I tell you, big famous big tree.
Enemy, look out, look out, look out. Frenemy, look out, look out, look out. A friend killer.